scares us more than it ever has before. Due to many things, our ocean is being destroyed.
Humans are the ocean's biggest threat.
People are polluting the waters without even thinking how much damage they are causing.
All the animals in the sea are suffering from our careless acts.
The sewage is bad for the ocean and affects the coral and the sea slugs that live there.
The litter, like plastic bags and bottles, along with many others, find their way into the ocean and cause a gigantic problem for the animals who eat it thinking it's food.
The pollution caused by major oil spills that leak into the ocean are very harmful to the birds because it gets all into their feathers, so it disables them from flying.
Overfishing is a problem since fish are at the bottom of the food chain. So if fish start to become endangered, so will all the animals that eat them. If we carry on spilling oil and sewage and littering in our ocean, we will have no clean ocean left.
We asked a few people how they think pollution is impacting the ocean.
How will pollution affect the island?
Okay, well, there's several things that do affect the island, and unfortunately, it's not just Bermuda, it's global. So I'm going to be talking about it globally, but that also impacts our island. One of the big things is plastic pollution, and I'm going to show you some of that, but plastic, what's bad about it is it doesn't really go away. It just keeps breaking down into smaller and smaller pieces. And this is one of the issues here. When the plastic breaks down little pieces, the plankton actually ingests it. And right now, they're finding that out of, let's say, 8 pieces of scooping up a plankton, you look at it under a microscope, 7 of those pieces are little plastics, and only 1 is a microorganism, zooplankton or phytoplankton, and that's not good. And when we think of all the animals, like the humpback whales here, that are filter feeding constantly, they're getting a lot of plastic into their system.
How does pollution affect the island?
The marine pollution, well, I tell you what, it affects a lot of people in lots of different ways. If you're a tourist on the beach and you see trash on the beach, it makes Bermuda look pretty ugly. Now, to be fair, some of the stuff that washes up on the beach isn't really our trash. It's trash that have come from other countries. So even people in America and in Europe putting trash in the ocean, it can be a problem to us because it gets in, drifts around, and then eventually washes up on somebody else's beach.
How can we help our oceans?
I think we can help the oceans by lowering pollution, and that would be by being more responsible when we're out on the water in boats. I think at the beach, making sure we take trash-free snacks and using the trash cans that are on the beaches so that we're not polluting the ocean.
How does the pollution affect the island?
I think the pollution's affecting our island in our oceans, in that it's killing fish and it's endangering different species, and it's having an impact on their habitats like the coral reefs. So we have to work hard to make sure we keep our water clean.
As you can see, get it? Our oceans need to be protected by us.
So let's find a solution for pollution.
And use your heart to do your part.
There are many ways to help protect our ocean, like making sustainable food choices, meaning don't order seafood that is endangered. Try to buy products that don't have as much packaging, and always make sure your litter goes in the trash.
Also, if we put the sewage pipes far away from coastal areas and more sewage treatments, there is less of a chance for sewage to find their way into the ocean.
Since getting oil requires us to drill it out of the ground, if we reduce how much oil we're using, then they won't have to drill as much out of the ground.
Therefore, this week, we ask you to do anything you can to help our oceans, because one little thing can make a big difference.
So let's protect our ocean.